The Addition Snake Game helps children learn and practice addition facts. You will need the black and white placeholder beads in addition to the colorful beads. The goal of the snake game is to turn the colorful snake into a golden snake by exchanging for 10. We will count, and when we reach 10, we will exchange. We are going to verify at the end that we have the correct answer using our addition facts. We start at the left. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exchange for 10, and I see we have 4 beads on the 9 bead bar. We still need to count. We'll use this 4 bead placeholder to remind us to count those 4 beads. We put our colorful beads at the top, not back in the box. We're going to use these at the end to verify that we have the correct answer. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exchange for 10. We still have 1 bead to count. Our colorful bead goes here and our placeholder goes back in the triangle. And we have 9. We cannot exchange for 10, so here is where we stop. Turn the bead bars vertically to verify. We will take our colorful beads and match them against our 10s. I have a 7, and I need 3 beads here to finish this 10. I don't have 3 beads up here, but I do have a 5. I can exchange for a 3 and a 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Back in the box, and now I have this 3. 7 and 3 is 10. This 9 matches with this 10, and I need a 1. Oh, I can exchange this 2 for 2 1s. That's fair. And we have 1, so there's another 10, and then this bead is our placeholder, and we have 29.